I'm hushing the dog on 10. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bend. Rally the troops for better fight. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or tell my hand. Watching the picture slowly unfold, bracing for news that I can't bear to hold. While I'm singing this song to myself, I sing this softly myself. Tore up my jeans on the fence. This iron road I cannot bend, but my walking is lighter when I walk with a friend. I sing this softly to myself. I sing it softly to myself.
What did you make?
I made some apple roses.
Ooh.
Cheese! Yay!
It tastes so good.
How many have you had already?
3.
Yeah.
How did you eat it so fast?
I only eating 2.
Oh, okay.
And now I'm eating 1 more equals 3.
Okay, we'll eat the rest another day, okay? You want to go play now? What are you making?
And put that one here.
Is that how mommy vacuums?
Like this. Like that.
Is that how you vacuum?
Vacuum all leg.
Don't vacuum my leg.
Break. One, two, three, four. Mom, I can't read a movie.
Okay, what are we reading?
I could.
Called All Aboard the Sesame Street Subway. Can you find a friend or an object that starts with each letter of the alphabet?
I can see the moon.
Should we go play outside in the rain?
No, I just like the sun.